Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Chegg Inc. And if you look at this stock has indeed started moving up from the lows of 2016, and it looks like a new trend, completely new trend, which has started at 2016 and there is no look back. Okay, so from the lows of 2016 the stock has already given a return of 2500%, so 22,548% to be precise. So this is phenomenal. Like the stocks are giving you returns. I mean, if somebody does invest in one of these stocks, then obviously they made lots and lots of money. So this is quite phenomenal. Now let's start. So first we are going to look at the current price action, then we will go forward and look at the big trend. So as you can zoom this chart, and this is a weekly chart, so obviously this carries lots of important and weight also. So here we have, okay, here we have the trend. Now look at this. Now the price action is such that it is moving inside a range. So on the higher side, as you can see, unless the stock moves above $90, there will not be start of a fresh trend. Okay, so this is the big resistance which the stock has faced in the month of probably July or August, and then currently it is at the same level, and it tried to move on the higher side and started facing correction again. So this is the big resistance. So once the stock sustain above $90, then only you can see a fresh breakout, or you can call it a start of a new trend. Otherwise, what will happen, if this is the current resistance, then it will again go back to its lower end of the range, which is $63. And in any case of a bad scenario or something negative if happens, then obviously what we are going to look at will be $55 on the downside. So in the short term, this is the scenario what you can see, or what one can face right now, that probably the stock is at the resistance, at its resistance, and probably it's going to see the lower end of the range. And unless the stock moves either on the upside or falls on the downside, okay, or beyond the range, in a simple way, the stock is going to consolidate. Now how long is going to consolidate? That's so time is not a boundary. I don't consider time. I think that thinking about timing is a hard thing to do, so that's why I always take 3 to 5 years on the minimum side. So long term will be beneficial for anybody. And if you are working with long term trends, you get to know that which trend will probably going to consolidate much more than it looks like. But obviously it's not about that we know that whether it will take another 1 year or whether it will take another 10 years. So that is out of the hand. So we can think and we can forecast that the current trend will continue, either consolidation or a correction, but how long, it's a matter of matter of discussion that I don't have any answer of about the timing. Okay, what I have an answer of is about the trend and where the trend is going right now. Having said that, this is the current trend. Now if you are looking at the long term trend, which is our prime focus, so we are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now I'm just removing these things. You can probably go back a little and check out these points. Okay, so as I've already told you, unless the stock moves above 90, 91, there will not be a fresh trend or a start of a fresh trend. Now you can see here that this was the previous resistance, okay, for this stock uh, from 2015 to 2017. Okay, so 8.94 or $9 was the resistance, and it has finally made a breakout in the year 2017 and moved uh, completely straight after that. Now this was the trend, and now you can see your trend is something like this. Now here we have, so as you can see your trend, and you can probably check where your current trend lies in the overall scenario. Okay, so one thing that one should not forget if you are looking at this stock, which I have already said in the beginning of the video, that the trend has started from 2016. So if you are thinking that it has started from the lows of 2020, March 2020, that's not a correct way to look at the big trend. Okay, if you are looking at a short term trend, then it probably will be a good answer to justify, but this is not going to justify your logic if you are looking at a long term trend which has started from the lows of 2016. Okay, so here you have your trend. As you can see, this is the trend. Now just have a look as where your current trend lies. So as you can see, the stock is probably near to its higher end of the range, which will probably in between 96 or 104. Okay, because we don't know the actual movement, so this will be in between the stock, in between 96 and 104. You can, the stock can face a resistance, so it is near to the higher end of the range or resistance line inside a big trend, so one should be aware about these things. Now if it, your current support level lies at $84, below which it can move down to 63, and if it is a correction after this line, so probably if it hits on the higher end of the range and start falling again, then you can see the correction goes down to $37 again, because these are your important support level. So one should be worry about that as well. So either the stock moves above this line or make a breakout above this line and start a fresh trend, or it will face a correction. Whether it will turn out a correction or a consolidation, that's the thing one should look, but it's not going to be a fresh trend unless the stock moves above probably $100, at least 100, 104, $105. So if the stock moves and sustain above 105, 103 to $105, then it will start up a new trend. Otherwise it is near to its intermediate or long term consolidation, which one can see in the weekly chart pattern. So let us just wait and watch how the trend react, and then we are going to discuss about the next trend as and when it will start. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.